Cha-ching, cha-ching, people. This is Uncle P with Super Easy Forex, and I wanted to go over the new reporting system that we're using so that you guys can see the results for yourself. What we're doing is we've broken down week by week exactly what we've been doing in the signals group. And so this is January's report, January 2022, and as I told you guys in the prior video, that the entire world had a very tough time trading in the markets, whether you were trading in Forex, whether you were trading options, stocks, it didn't matter, because it was one of the worst starts in the history of the world to a brand new year of trading. But for us, it was still profitable. As you can see, in our first week, we won 9 trades, lost 3, 2 break evens. And this category here, the blue one, is the scalping group, which is separate from the signals. It's all one price, same thing. So when you join, it's not separate fees. It's just one fee, one small fee. But the scalping group is different. Their pips is here. And the reason why we do not list out the pips for the signals is because we used to do that. But the deal is that when we send these signals out, it goes out throughout all the world. And some people will take it immediately at the time that we take it. Some will take it 10 minutes later. Some may take it 15 minutes later, whatever the case may be. So their pip count was off from ours, and it was causing conflict because they weren't taking it at the same time. So we just removed how many pips were made so that everybody can be on the same page. Hey, either you won the trade or you didn't. Because I can't see and verify when you took the trade, whether you took it immediately or 10 minutes later. However, in the scalping group, it's different because these are live with Miss Jenny. Everybody's in the scalping group, seeing the same thing at the exact same moment. Therefore, everybody is coming out with the same exact number of pips. That's the reason why we're doing it separately. So this blue category is specific for that reason. So let's go back through the report. In week 1, we had 9 wins, 3 losses, 2 break evens. Second week, we had 11 wins, 3 losses, no break evens. In the third week, we had 9 wins, 4 losses, 2 break evens. Fourth week, which was where they had NFP and all the news events, it was a really, really ratchet week. But we still made some pips. We had a 50% win rate, 6 wins, 3 losses, 1 break even. But over here, to take a look at this, because they scalp the indices, which provides much larger pips, you can see they had 2,200 the first week, 877 the second week, 3,300 the third week, 6,100 the fourth week, for a total of 12,685 pips just for the scalping group. And that's separate from our wins of 35 wins, 13 losses, and 5 break evens. Now, here's the first week of February. Take a look at this. This is a crazy. Let me kind of highlight this so you guys can really see this real nice. Look at that. That is crazy. Wow. Why? Because they took advantage of the markets. As you know, in the first week of February, the markets were dancing like crazy because of the Russian news and all the other multitude of different bits of market information that made the markets just go crazy, especially in the indices, meaning the US 30, the NASDAQ, and the S&P 500. If you trade those on your MT4, you know that market was going crazy, big, huge moves, and they were able to capitalize on it with 6 trades, and they had 100% win rate. So they, in my opinion, broke a record. Look, they made more pips in the first week than they did all of January in the first week because of those big moves. As for the regular signals, we won 9 trades, 4 losses, 1 break even. So again, we are off to the races. We're doing pretty well, in my opinion. So come and join us. This will be 44 wins and just 17 losses and 6 break evens. That's what that would actually total out to. And what's nice about this is, yes, these numbers, we would want to decrease this, but you got to remember, these markets are just acting crazy right now because of all the news, the potential war with Russia, and so many other things. And yet we're able to still pull out profits while many traders around the world are making absolutely nothing. So again, I'm happy with what we're doing. Come and join us. The link is below. Thank you.